up, everybody? This is John from Handcrafted Auto, Marine, and Off-Road. Taking a minute out of your day here to show you a video on this Newell coach that we just finished up adding some really cool safety features to. Some of the things that we added are going to make this vehicle a whole lot more easy to maneuver on the road safely, so you can keep your focus on having fun. I want to take you around and show you everything that we're doing here on this thing. First thing we'll start off with here is a 170-degree view camera that you see right up on here, about in the middle of the vehicle, up near the top. You'll see the view that this thing gives, but the main function of this camera here is to kind of look down the side of the vehicle right here, so that as you're turning and you might potentially hit a curb, you're going to see that that curb is right there in relation to your rear tires and know how far you have to go, which I'm told is a very helpful thing. I personally don't own one of these things yet, but I'm told it's helpful. In the back here we have another camera here with infrared LEDs. Really great for at nighttime viewing. It also has a microphone in the camera, so if somebody is back here and they're trying to tell you, oh, stop, you can hear them up front where the monitor is. We also replaced that acrylic window that you see on these Newell coaches here, that the factory rear view camera is mounted behind. We replaced that with a nice piece of ABS black plastic because that acrylic kind of gets a little bit dirty, hard to see out of. On the other side over here, you'll see we have another one of those cameras that you saw on the first side, 170-degree view camera, mounts flat right up against the body of the vehicle, looks down, and again, we'll go inside and show you the view that you get with this type of camera. Really great. And the installation on this was a little bit tricky. Going through the vehicle, where we had to go through the vehicle was a little bit of a challenge, but we found our way through. Everything is nice and neat. All the wires are concealed. Looks just the way you would want it to look on a vehicle like this. And most importantly, works right. So, of course, we want to take off our shoes.
Mr. Rogers.
Funny. Okay, so now when you come inside the coach, there's really not a whole lot for you to see given all the work that was done, but the most important things are what you can see here. So here's your monitor, and this is what's going to show the individual camera views. So what I'm going to show you first is the rear view camera. So this is basically set up right there on that piece of black plastic, so you can see right behind the vehicle. If you're towing a vehicle, which this owner does, you can see it plain as day, nice and clear. This is the driver's side camera looking down the side of the vehicle. So as you can see, with a 170-degree view, we can see almost the entire length of the vehicle. And given that the rear wheels start right around here where you can see that fender, we have plenty of room to tell where there's going to be a curb or another vehicle or anything that you might need to see. And then here's the passenger side of the vehicle as well, same kind of view. And here's your fender right here for your rear wheels. So really great view on this system. And if you choose to, you can tie it into your turn signals, so that when you turn on your left signal, it'll come on. Turn on your right signal, it'll come on. When you go into reverse, the reverse comes up. Really nice system. In addition to all of this, so these cameras are really good for slow maneuvering as you're kind of trying to get around curbs and maybe some other vehicles. Really nice for that type of thing. But we installed another camera system called Mobileye, which is designed to help you as you're driving at speeds down the highway. And what you can see is there's two elements of the Mobileye system. First one is that one right there. That's the actual camera and also the CPU of the unit. That's what's doing all the video processing. It's got a camera inside of there that watches the road ahead, and it looks for things like figures that look like the backs of vehicles and road signs and road markings like lanes, yellow, white, dotted or not. And it basically takes all of that information and it gives you feedback on this little display right here. So as you can see, we got two little yellow lines here that kind of look like road markings. When it is protecting you, they go white. And this system will alert you if you change lanes without turning on your turn signal, which is common in a big vehicle like this. If you're approaching another vehicle too quickly, and you won't be able to avoid hitting it if it were to stop on its brakes, it'll alert you there. It'll also tell you if you're going to do something like hit a pedestrian. It can do things like turn on your high beams automatically for you based upon speed, how dark it is, and whether or not there are other vehicles in front of or coming up on you. So this system is something that is designed to, when you're driving this big vehicle and you're trying to focus on all these different things you have to focus on, it's just one more set of eyes, or I guess maybe eye, that is designed to look straight ahead and keep you safe when you might be veering off your course. So this thing is ready to get back on the road, heading out to Glamis, and going to have some fun out there. So if you have one of these or anything like it and you need some safety features added to it, be sure to check us out, handcraftedaz.com, or check us out on Facebook. Thanks for watching, guys.